Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on putting pictures in shapes using Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The first thing we want to do is select the picture or frame that we want to add the image to. Select Elements from the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Frames section and choose a frame to use. Add it to your canvas. Once the frame is added, all we have to do is add the picture. Find the image you want to use and simply drag it into the frame. The image will automatically fit into the frame. Double-click the image and you'll be able to crop and zoom. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Canva tips and tricks.